Hello everyone at NIDEK. My name is Koji Tori, CEO of NIDEK Inc. First of all, congratulations on NIDEK's 55th anniversary this year. So on behalf of NIDEK Inc., we'd like to thank you for your kind cooperation and the continued support of our US business. Create Next capture how we work every day, so working together, trying new ideas, and building better future step by step. We're excited to continue to move forward as one team around the world. Let's continue to create Next together.
Hello NIDEK, my name is Keith Effort. I am the Vice President of Marketing and Business Development. I would also like to congratulate NIDEK on its 55th anniversary of manufacturing high quality, innovative products. I am very proud of this company and I look forward to working together to create the next state-of-the-art advancements in the future. NIDEK's dedication to developing innovative, vision-saving products continues to make a meaningful impact around the world. Thank you.
1, 2, 3, NIDEK Ichiban!